Hello friends, welcome to this course Learn Full Stack. So we will learn by creating project as an Instagram clone. So we are going to create a project on Instagram clone. So what are the technologies that are we going to use? We are going to use Firebase as a database. We are going to use Tailwind CSS for styling our project, and for front end we are going to use React.js. So what are the basic requirements which you need? You need basic knowledge of HTML, you should have basic knowledge of CSS, and you should have basic knowledge of JavaScript. And who are the targeted student? Anyone who wants to learn full stack development. Okay, so let's see what are we going to develop. So this is the project which we are going to develop, Instagram clone. So let me just log out first. Okay, so if I click on login here, I need to just log in. So I'll just use my email ID. So here is the login page, and we have the sign up page as well. Okay, so I'll just go to login page and I'll just log in on with my email ID. So once you log in, you will get the dashboard page will look like this. Okay, so I'm following Carlos. That is the reason I'm having the photos. I'm able to see the photos which Carlos has uploaded. Okay, and if I click on Carlos, I'll see the profile of Carlos. So Carlos have uploaded 5 photos. Okay, so if I hover on it, it has 0 likes, 2 comments. Okay, so you can hover on it, and here also it is mentioned that Carlos has 5 photos, 1 follower, 0 following, and the full name is Carlos Pinley. If I click on follow, now I'm logged in as Samir. So I can follow Carlos, I can unfollow, I can like his photos. Okay, let me go to Carlos. Okay, so I need to follow Carlos. Let me refresh. Okay, now here as you can see, I've already liked his photo. I can like his photo, unlike, so the count will increase. Okay, 1 like. And even I can comment. So if I click here, it will highlight here, and I can add as a nice photo. If I hit enter, my message, my comment is shown here. Okay, so in this way we can also comment, and you can explore more when you start working on the project. So this is what we are building for our full stack web development. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the course.